I'm Safwan. Today we are going to be sharing our scientific research with you.
We are students of Year 6 from the Next Generation School, Doha, Qatar.
Our topic is Endangered Falcons, a study on the threats and practices posed in Qatar.
We will be sharing our journey on our scientific research with you. We read various books on the topic and discussed among ourselves. For the better understanding of the topic, we checked out many websites on the internet. We read articles, newspapers, and online news reports.
Falcons, the royal bird, more armed by its courage than its claws, are an integral part of the Arab lifestyle and tradition. The sport of falconry began over 5,000 years ago in Iran. The sport was introduced to Qatar through Bedouin tribes who used the birds as tools for hunting. In recognition of this rich heritage, falconry is also inscribed on the UNESCO representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity.
Qatar has witnessed a fast-paced economic growth that has placed pressure on the environment. The pressure has also caused decline in falcons' population. Although falcon is the national bird of Qatar, we do not see them flying high in the sky. The biological diversity of Qatar needs to be preserved as they are the national heritage and legacy for the future generations.
Our research project aims to find out the reason why the falcons are getting endangered and also to raise awareness of how to protect and preserve the falcons.
How did we actually feel the topic? The population growth of Qatar has also led to increased demand of agricultural products to provide necessary food, and Qatar have adopted the intensive agriculture pattern which requires a number of measures including the use of pesticide.
Pesticide-contaminated food is especially harmful to birds like the falcons as they sit at the top of the food chain. The poison starts to accumulate in the falcon's body after they have consumed other birds that have fed on seeds, fish, and insects that have been contaminated by pesticides.
Qatar has been named as one of the countries with the highest air pollution. Falcons make their nest on ledges, cliffs, trees, and on top of buildings, and are exposed to more airborne particles because birds have a higher breathing rate and spend most of the time in the open air. What do we imagine to protect and conserve the falcons? Number 1. Usage of pesticides that are much more target specific and less toxic to birds.
Number 2. Prevent hunting falcons with guns and reduce illegal hunting. Impose laws that can maintain the balance of endangered species.
Number 3. Create artificial nest sites to increase their breeding population.
Number 4. Falconers can play a big part in saving the falcons by captive breeding and also releasing them into the wild.
Number 5. Souk Waqif Falcon Hospital should be fully equipped to provide a falcon with the best health care possible.
Verbal interviews and online surveys were done by students, teachers, and parents of TNG on account of the study research. Along with that, an interview with falconologist Dr. Zubair Madamal was also conducted.
The interview helped us to learn more about the falcon behavior, and we got to know in depth the effect, causes, and solutions regarding the falcons getting endangered.
In GCC or in Arab countries, there are many falcons. Arabs are using many species of falcons for hunting as a part of their culture and heritage. So, the Saker falcon, S-A-K-E-R, Saker falcon, that is the favorite falcon of Arabs. And the Shaheen falcon, that means peregrine falcon, that is the fastest falcon which the Arabs are using, or the falcon.
Analyzing the result of the research conducted, we found out that most of the teachers, parents and students are not aware about the falcons getting endangered and are very concerned about the protection of these birds.
They have identified various reasons for the decline in falcon population, and many of them, including students, gave logical and convenient solutions which show their understanding about this study.
A video documentary about falcons and falconry were also shown to the students of Year 5 and Year 6. The importance of preserving the falcons were also discussed as an activity and to spread awareness inside the school.
We have visited different classes and created the awareness about the importance of protecting and preserving the royal bird. The result of the survey was also discussed among parents, teachers, and the students.